Today, we're diving deep into 5 top-tier full synthetic motor oils that not only protect your engine, but help it run smoother, longer, and cleaner. First up, we've got the Mobil 1 Extended Performance High Mileage, a full synthetic motor oil designed for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. This oil features Mobil's Triple Action Plus formula, offering an unbeatable combo of engine performance, protection, and cleanliness. With up to 20,000 miles between oil changes, it reduces the hassle of frequent maintenance while fighting sludge, wear, and oil breakdown. It also handles extreme conditions, from scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit heat to bone-chilling -40 degrees Fahrenheit cold. For anyone looking to extend engine life and performance in older engines, this one is a top choice. Next on the list is Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SA0W-20. This one isn't just advanced, it's engine armor in a bottle. With 24 times stronger protection against engine-killing contaminants and 40% better wear protection than industry standards, it's built to outperform. Its advanced detergents offer 25% better deposit protection, keeping internal components squeaky clean. Plus, it's made in the USA and trusted for over 150 years. Valvoline also meets or exceeds critical specs like ILSAC GF6A, API-SP, and GM Dexos 1 Gen 3, so it's ready for modern engines running clean and efficient. All product links are in the description below, so check them out and see the latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product reviews, gear comparisons, and trend picks. From Germany, we bring you the Liqui Moly Leichtlauf High-Tech SAE5W-40, a premium synthetic oil with synthesis technology for optimal lubrication and protection. Designed for rapid oil circulation at cold starts and reliable lubrication at high temps, this oil promotes a long engine service life. It's compatible with turbochargers, catalytic converters, and offers high shear stability, reducing oil thinning under pressure. Plus, it's backed by top-tier OEM approvals like BMW Long Life 01, Mercedes-Benz 229.5, Porsche A40, and VW 502.00 by 505.00. If you want clean burning, long-lasting performance, this oil is elite. Coming in at number 4 is the Castrol Edge High Mileage 10W-30, specially formulated for vehicles with more than 75,000 miles. Its standout feature: phosphorus replacement technology, which helps protect your vehicle's emission system for cleaner, longer-lasting performance. With up to 15,000 miles between oil changes, it reduces oil burn-off, leakages, and deposits that rob power. It meets or exceeds modern standards like API-SP, SN+, SN, SM, and ILSAC GF6, ensuring excellent wear protection and fuel efficiency. Last but definitely not least, we have Royal Purple's 0W-20 High Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. Known for its deep purple color and high-tech chemistry, this oil provides superior wear protection, increased fuel economy, and exceptional corrosion resistance. It's especially ideal if your engine uses ethanol-blended fuels. On top of that, it helps protect expensive catalytic converters, which are critical to maintaining emission performance. If you want race-ready performance in your daily driver, Royal Purple is your royal upgrade. So there you have it, 5 of the best full synthetic motor oils you can trust to keep your engine running clean, powerful, and efficient.